Hi there, hi, good afternoon everybody. This is Liz Davis. I'm a nutritionist and I specialise in digestive health for busy women. So I help busy women fix their IBS symptoms, bloating, painful digestion, heartburn, etc. and any kind of associated hormone problems. So menopause, perimenopause, etc. And I do all this with state-of-the-art gut testing, hormone testing as well, and dietary lifestyle upgrades to gently bring things back into balance for you nicely again and get you living as you should do, free from all this worry and everything. So today I was just going to do a quick rundown about the liver and how keeping your liver healthy is really critical for all sorts of things, not least for your gut health generally and for your hormone health as well, and loads of other aspects too. So your liver is really a super busy organ. It does so much all the time, and you have to keep it ticking over nicely to make sure you've got a great gut health and your hormones aren't sort of dancing around doing funny things. So first of all, your liver is critical in producing bile, so you need to be producing bile to help you digest fats, etc. And also, as I say, it's really busy processing hormones, making sure you haven't got too much estrogen buildup and so on, because then when that happens, you can start to feel a bit sluggish, etc. So your liver is really busy. It's just filtering all the time. It's processing toxins. So the upshot is really that you don't want to be overloading it because it is busy enough as it is, trying to process all these kind of hormones and toxins and everything that are the byproduct of what your body is producing. So if you overload it with too much alcohol, processed food, sugar, etc., and then also toxins from the environment as well, so anything you're breathing in, toxic fumes, cosmetics, for example, household cleaning products. So if you can stick to organic and natural stuff as far as you possibly can, that's all going to help your liver health and help you to avoid any of these issues with gut problems and hormones as well. So to make sure that your liver is functioning properly, you want to be making sure you've got plenty of fibre in your diet. The liver actually works in 2 phases to detox, and it needs plenty of the appropriate nutrients to make sure it does this effectively. So you want a nice high nutrient diet, lots of different coloured fruits and vegetables going on in there to make sure you've got all the nutrients covered. Plenty of organic food if possible, because that reduces the amount of pesticides and so on that you've got going on in your food as well. And all this contributes to really reducing your toxic load and making sure that your liver isn't overloaded at any point. You can normally tell if your liver's a bit overloaded because you'll feel sluggish and tired, all those hormone problems, as I say. Your immune system won't be functioning optimally, you won't have enough energy, your concentration probably won't be as good as it could be. And then if you switch and try and kind of support your liver a little bit, so by avoiding excess alcohol consumption or consuming drugs, so be that illegal drugs or legal drugs as well, anything like paracetamol, contraceptive pill, anti-inflammatories, all those things contribute to your liver becoming overloaded and not functioning as it should do. So you basically want to be reducing your alcohol, sticking to a nice high fibre diet, lots of different coloured fruits and vegetables going on in there, and you can look forward to your liver functioning much better and doing its job more effectively, which in turn helps you feel a lot better as well. Okay, so I hope you found that useful. There's a link below if you want to book a call with me, so do go ahead and do that if you'd like to, if you want to discuss any aspect of your gut health or hormone health. And there's a link below to download some freebies as well, so make sure you do that if you need a helping hand, and do like and share this if you found it useful. Okay, I shall see you next time. Okay, bye bye.